Hi, I'm Jenna. As we look at the new features for Chief Architect X11, we have added several new editing tools that will improve your productivity. Let's begin by looking at our new Room Dialog makeover.
The Room Dialog has been updated to include a story pull preview with dimensions. As you move your mouse over the input fields, they will highlight the corresponding element in the preview. As you make edits, the story pull dynamically updates. To select like objects, you could enable a specific tool from the toolbar, say the base cabinet, and press the Shift key while drawing a marquee with your mouse. We have now exposed that selection process with a new Marquee Select edit tool. Once you have an item selected, say a wall cabinet, using the Marquee Select tool in the Edit toolbar, you can select multiple items of the same type. The process works on dissimilar objects as well. If you select both a wall and base cabinet, you can select other like objects using the Marquee Select tool. Marquee Select can be used in coordination with the Match and Apply property tools. This works well in cases where you might have several rooms that require the same change, such as a raised ceiling. Once the ceiling elevation is selected using the Match Properties tool, you can use Apply Properties to change room heights individually. And now you can apply the changes to several rooms by drawing a marquee around those rooms. The platform dialog has been updated to be similar to wall types. As you modify ceiling, floor, or roof structures, the components can be moved up and down in the assembly. When editing a polyline, we created a new tool, Simplify Polyline, to remove redundant points along a polyline's edge. A new Line Styles Manager is available to manage the line styles. You can change the listed order, add, copy, and delete line styles, and see where a style is used with the new tool tip. You can control moldings on a per-wall basis. On the general panel for the wall, check the option No Room Moldings to remove it. There is an added RGB tooltip that will display the RGB values for colors as you hover over the interface with your cursor. AutoCAD DXF or DWG files with multi-leader styles will import into Chief Architect, and you can continue to edit these objects after importing them. For terrain elevation points, you can specify text macros to display dynamic information for landscape or site plans. When you place a marker on a cross-section or elevation view, you can display the actual height for that marker by using one of the text macros. When exporting a Chief Architect model to the 3D viewer, you can update existing 3D viewer files without creating multiple versions of the same model.
There are several great new features in Chief Architect X11, and you can expect to see it in early 2019. And remember, all new software purchases include upgrades for the first year. So if you're not currently a customer, get started with Chief Architect today.